Well, there we go. The whole chimney stack is finally down. Whew. That's taken me about a week. I'd say about 400 bricks, and I've been carrying them down 4 at a time. Down 2 flights of stairs into the skip. Oh, bloody hellfire. Shored up all the bits at, there's a couple of joists up there, and everything else is down, all good. I'll cement up a bit of that wall before I box it in, just to make sure everything's nice and tight. You know, it's fairly loose rubble, but I'll put a course of mortar all over it just to, you know, hold it all in. Bloody hell, what a job though. What a job. Oh, real bugger of a job, I have to say. Yeah, was it worse than I thought? Yeah, it was. Whew, but they're all out now, all out. But you can see the course of the 2 chimneys. But to the right of the chimney here, get my finger, that was all rubble filled. And then that was all rubble filled. Because you can see the line of the actual chimney. And although there's a line of bricks there, there was another line of bricks there, and all this was just rubble. The only good news was whoever took the chimneys down didn't throw the bricks down the chimney, which has been known, because both chimneys could have been full of bricks, which would have just made my day. Anyway, there we go. So now I'm starting work, taking down all the tiles, taking the skirting boards off, tiles, skirting boards off, take the loo and that out, and the dado rail, because we're keeping the sink and the toilet. So we're going to start work now on taking out the tiles, while I've still got the skip, which of course is nearly full. But, you know, already, you know, the proportions of the room are so much better. You know, it's squarer rather than just a long, thin. You know, you can see here, that's where it used to come out to. And this will all be cupboards, and we'll put the radiator. I'll put the radiator in there. I'll put the radiator in, and then above it will be cupboards. So far so good, but what a bug of a job.